The best baby foam playmat can help you create a safe space for your child to play. Playmats come in various shapes and sizes. Some are tile-shaped, while others come in a foldable variety that can collapse into a single piece. These mats are also made of high-quality foam that is long-lasting and ensures the perfectly cushioned space for your child to play. So in this video we will discuss 5 best playing foam mats. Don't worry, you will not face any hassle to find the product links. I will include the product links in the description. Number 1. ProSource Kids Floor Playmat. Create a colorful play area for your little one with the 36-piece colorful playmat. It provides a fun and safe environment for your child to crawl and play with toys. Each block is made of textured material to keep your child from slipping or sliding. It is made of high-density, long-lasting EVA foam to provide cushioned comfort for your child, and the floor mat has a large surface and provides ample coverage. This interlocking puzzle mat is lightweight and straightforward to put together. The bright colors stimulate your child's brain, which aids in early learning. Pros: aids visual stimulation. Non-slip grip. Free of phthalates. Water resistant. Cons: some pieces may not snap together. Corners may be slightly flimsy. Number 2. Tadpoles ABC Playmat. Tadpoles Playmat is made of high-quality imported EVA foam that is non-toxic and safe for children. This is a one-of-a-kind fun playmat that will help your child learn while playing. The high-density foam creates a soft base for your child's comfort. This 36-piece alphabet playmat with 24 border pieces can be easily interlocked, and each piece fits precisely. The grooved surface prevents the child from slipping, and the mat does not contain harmful chemicals, phthalates, and lead. It is easy to maintain and can be wiped clean with a damp cloth and soap. Pros: lightweight. Water resistant. Long-lasting. Stackable for convenient storage. Cons: may attract dirt. May be thinner than expected. Number 3. Gupamiga Baby Folding Mat. The Gupamiga Baby Folding Mat creates protective flooring for your child's delicate body. It is made of high-density XP material that is durable and soft for your child's comfort. The lightweight mat features a collapsible design that makes it simple to transport from one location to another. You can effortlessly clean the waterproof material with a damp and soft cloth. Pros: extra-large play area. Leaves no food residue or milk stains. Odorless. Features appealing animal prints. Reversible mat. Convenient to store. Cons: may not be tear-resistant. May not be dog-proof. Number 4. Baby Care Play Mat. Tired of puzzle mats? The Baby Care Play Mat is a large one-piece foldable mat for babies to crawl, walk, and play without fear of injury. You can easily clean the water-resistant material with a soft, damp cloth. It has been tested for hygiene and is suitable for all floor surfaces. It does not contain phthalates, lead, latex, EVA, or formaldehyde. The mat's exciting animal print is ideal for stimulating the child's natural learning instincts. Pros: double-sided design. Rolls up for convenient storage. Anti-skid textured surface. 2-year warranty. Cons: may have an overpowering foam smell. May not endure high pressure. Number 5. Toddleroo by North States ABC Playmat. Toddleroo Foldable Playmat by North States measures 71 by 71 inches when fully opened, creating ample space for children to have fun. This playmat's unique design with alphabet prints creates a large play area for small children to quarrel and play. It is made of long-lasting P foam that has been labeled hygienic for children's safety. The mat is PVC-free and flame-retardant. The soft floor surface provides a safe landing and keeps the child from falling. You can effortlessly transport this lightweight material from one location to another. Pros: BPA-free. Easy wipe clean. Hypoallergenic. Ideal for hardwood, grass, and carpets. Cons: may be slippery on certain surfaces. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.